Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Paymo for project accounting workflows detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in paymoapp.com and press enter. Once the Paymo homepage loads, locate the sign up button at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be presented with several options for registration. Choose whether to sign up using your email address or through a social media account. If you opt to use your email, enter a valid email address in the designated field. Next, create a secure password and confirm it in the provided field. After entering your details, click on the Create Account button. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Paymo. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click the verification link in the email to confirm your account. After verification, return to the Paymo website and log in with your email and password. Once logged in, you will be taken to the dashboard. Here, you can start setting up your project accounting workflows. Begin by clicking on the Projects tab in the navigation menu. Select Add Project to create a new project. Fill in the necessary details such as project name, client, and description. Set the start and end dates for your project. Adjust the budget and billing rate as needed. After inputting the details, click on the Save button to create the project. You can now manage tasks associated with this project. Click on the Tasks tab to add specific tasks. Select the project you just created and then click Add Task. Input task details including name, due date, and assigned team member. Click Save to add the task to your project. Repeat this process for all necessary tasks. To manage your finances, navigate to the Invoices section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.